जय माता जी एवरीवन। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो देवी सब प्राणियों में शक्ति रूप में स्थित है उनको नमस्कार नमस्कार बारंबार नमस्कार है।
Okay, so we all know that first aid box is so much important for everyone, right? If we are going somewhere outside, then if we are keeping with us the first aid box, then it is so much helpful for us. Whatever things we require in emergency, everything can be placed in a first aid box and we can use it when and where it is required, right? So in case any mishap happens, any accident happens, then if we are carrying the first aid box along with us, then it helps us a lot, right? Now let us see what all the things we can put in our first aid box. Okay, everybody can make their own first aid box according to their requirements. I am showing you in general what all the things you can put in a फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स। ओके, आप सबको हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे कि आप सबको अपना फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स बनाना है अपने हिसाब से। ओके, आई एम शोइंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू कैन पुट इन योर फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स। ओके,
जरूरी है क्योंकि उसको सब्सक्राइब नहीं, जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि मेरे सामने रखा हुआ है फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स, इसमें कुछ नहीं है अभी। तो मैं आपको बता दूं, ये जो बॉक्स है ये भी होना बहुत जरूरी है। इससे क्या होता है कि जो भी आपके पास बहुत सारा सामान है, के लिए आपको पहले टेस्ट की प्रॉब्लम समझ में आए,
you can put a Digene tablet in it. Digene is used for gastric problems. Then you can put Helokind in it, or this is just an example. You can even take another tube. This is for any pains in hand or leg or any swelling. Okay, so you can take another tube also.
ठीक है, और हीलोकाइंड के बारे में मैंने वीडियो बनाई है, तो आप लोग उसको भी चेक कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद ये आ गया आपका रिंग गार्ड। अगर आपको
then you can put ring guard. Okay, if you are facing any what to say itching problem, then you can, or fungal infection, then you can use a ring guard. Then this is a tablet for vomiting. Okay, if you are traveling somewhere and if the journey is not good, the roads are not proper, and if you are facing any kind of vomiting problem, then you can have it. Then this is paracetamol. If you are feeling feverish, then you can consume paracetamol. This is Iodex. Okay, if there is pain in any part of your body, you can apply Iodex. Next is electrical WHO powder. Okay, this is very much important. It is used for dehydration purpose, right? If there is a vomiting and such a kind of problem, and if water level decreases in your body, then electrolyte electrical powder is very much useful. Next is Eno, that is for gastric problems. So these are the tablets you can carry along with them, and any company you can take, that is your choice. Okay, next is Move. If there is pain in any part of our body, then you can apply Move. Then Dettol. If there is any scratch, any accident happens, and if there is any scratch, then these all things are very much helpful. Okay, अगर आपको कहीं भी स्क्रैच हो तो पहले आप डेटॉल अप्लाई कर सकते हो। फिर नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कॉटन। सो यूज़ ए कॉटन एंड अप्लाई ए ट्यूब। आप इधर सॉफ्रामाइसिन ले सकते हो या कोई और ट्यूब ले सकते हो अपनी चॉइस की। हियर बीटाडाइन इज़ गिवन, सो आप कोई भी ट्यूब ले सकते हो अपने चॉइस की। देन अप्लाई ए ट्यूब, अप्लाई कॉटन, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज टेप. आप टेप लगा दीजिए उसके ऊपर सो दैट कॉटन स्टेज ऑन योर स्क्रैच. Okay, this is a tape. So these are the things that you can use if there is any scratch, if there is any accident. Okay, so this is your first aid box. You can make your own first aid box according to the things you require as per your wish. Okay, this is in general first aid box that you need to carry along with you wherever you go. In home also you should keep one first aid kit, so it is very much helpful in your urgent times. Okay, if something happens, then if it is ready, then you can use it.
Starts. Agree on a meeting place outside in case you.
Then what can you do? What are the ways from which you can prevent from it? Okay, always the flame goes upwards first towards the ceiling. Okay, flame जो smoke निकलता है हमेशा पहले ceiling की ओर ही जाएगा. तो आप क्या उससे फिर ही सीलिंग के ऊपर जाके ही नीचे आएगा. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ जब वो ऊपर जा रहा हो तो आप क्रॉल करते करते आपकी नियरेस्ट जो एग्जिट हो उससे आप बाहर निकल जाओ, बिकॉज पहले धुआं एकदम ऊपर जाएगा. एंड डोंट ट्राई टू ओपन द विंडो, अदरवाइज स्मोक और बढ़ जाएगी, पूरे में फैल जाएगी. तो आपके पास जो नियरेस्ट एग्जिट हो उससे आप एग्जिट कर जाओ. एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल फायर देन नेवर यूज़ वाटर. Okay, now how to save yourself if you are choking. Okay, आप खा रहे हो and the choking hazard happens. That what nobody can save you. What you can do is place your fist below your ribcage and above your navel and drive it up and up in a heavy quick motion. आपको अपने रिबकेज को और अपने नेवल के ऊपर एकदम ऊपर की तरफ आपको प्रेस करना है. Then lean over a chair and press your abdomen against the back of it. Okay. Third method is you can lie down on the floor in a push-up position and push your arms apart and quickly inhale. तो आप जो फंस गया है वो बाहर निकल जाए. What you should not do: don't speak, don't drink anything, and don't inhale deeply. Okay, otherwise फूड जो चॉक हो गया है वो और ज़्यादा फंस रहेगा अंदर. Now what you do if you are bleeding? If there is a bleeding from your nose, so you should not press your nose.
Head back or lie down and wait.
So you should not tilt your head backwards and lie down because the blood will go into your throat. So what you have to do is you have to lean forward, okay, and hold your nose till for 10 minutes. Then the bleeding will stop. So don't lean backwards, lean forward. Otherwise the blood will go into your throat. Now if there is a minor cut and minor bleeding, then wash your hand first, clean with water, and then you can use hydrogen peroxide and apply a sterile bandage. Now if there is some more bleeding, okay, then venous bleeding it is called, then what you have to do, use a hydrogen peroxide, apply a firm bandage and keep the injured area high. Arterial bleeding, that is somewhat more severe. Then you have to apply a firm bandage, apply pressure to the wound so that the bleeding stops. Then bend the affected leg or arm and use the direct pressure on an artery, which will help to stop the bleeding, and call for emergency medical assistance. Severe bleeding, you have to apply a sterile bandage on the wound and press the bandage firmly with your palm and call for emergency medical assistance. Okay, you have to go to doctor if there is a severe bleeding. Don't try to treat it at your home. Now what all the things you can take care is about, use a tourniquet only as a last resort if the bleeding doesn't stop. If you do, the time you apply the tourniquet, don't leave it for longer than 1 hour in the summer and 30 minutes in the winter. Otherwise the tissues will start to die. So you can apply it for 1 hour to 30 minutes only. Now if you are dehydrated, there's a summer, there's a scorching heat and you feel dehydrated, you feel uneasy, then you need more amount of liquid, right? So what you can do is have 1 liter of water plus 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar plus half teaspoon of baking soda. Or in another option you can have orange juice plus half teaspoon of salt plus 1 teaspoon of baking soda and dilute it with water to get 1 liter of liquid. ये आपको पूरे दिन में लेना है, okay, not at a time. Now if you are feeling cold, cover the victim with warm blanket and make sure the body, not only the body but also the feet are covered. What not to do: don't rub the victim's arms or legs. Never put them in a tub of hot water and don't give them alcohol to drink. Now treating minor burns.
For any type of...
Now if there is a minor burn, then first of all you have to remove the tight jewelry and tear the tight portion of the cloth, okay. Now in case of thermal burns, put your burn for 10 to 15 minutes inside the water. Cover the wound with a sterile bandage or a clean cloth. In case of acid burn, you have to put your burn inside the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then use a neutralizing solution, that is soap or baking soda plus water, and apply loosely a sterile bandage or a clean cloth. In case of alkaline burn, remove the remains of the substance first and then you have to wash it with water for 10 to 15 minutes. Use a neutralizing solution, that is soap or baking soda plus water, and then loosely apply a sterile bandage or a clean cloth. Now do not use oil, cotton pads, ice or iodine on your burn. And if it is a quicklime or aluminium burn, then you should not put it under water, okay. And call for immediate help if there is a severe burn or extensive burn. Do not try to heal it at home. You should immediately go to doctor if there is a severe burn. So these are the few things that you can do if there is any emergency situation.